Joining us from Jawa Tengah, Indonesia, please welcome a Stevie Award winner in the 2019 Asia Pacific Stevie Awards, PT Synergy Tjolomadoe.
A consortium of state-owned enterprises, PT Synergy Tjolomadoe won a 2019 Bronze Stevie Award for innovation in branding renovation or rebranding for transforming an old sugar factory into Tjolomadoe, a new cultural center and tourism destination for Central Java.
Again, for the second time, I would like to thank God, Alhamdulillahirabbil Alamin. Thanks, Stevie, our judges. This award is for the innovation in rebranding a very old sugar factory which was established in 1861 and no more operating since 20 years ago, and now it becomes a tourist destination. Thank you, PP Property team and Tjolomadoe team.